How to get high score in Block Blast. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First, make your plan in advance. One of the most effective strategy is to make your plan in advance. As a puzzle game, you have to plan and manage your game process wisely. Most versions of Block Blast show you the next blocks that will appear. You can use this foreknowledge to lay out the game ahead of time, thinking about the best place to place each square. Second, take the advantage of combo. You can take advantage of the opportunity to create combos by clearing multiple sets of blocks in quick succession, significantly increasing your score and helping you reach higher levels faster. Firstly, you need to be alert in the game. Notice and grab opportunities to place blocks that will lead to clearing more than one row or column in the same move. Next, prioritize special blocks. Wise and strategic players have the knowledge of leveraging special tools and blocks. Block Blast games often include special blocks such as bombs or props. These can be used strategically to clear large portions of the board or break through difficult areas. Prioritize the activation of these special blocks whenever possible. Next, manage the grid space. If you want to make the game time longer, you have to manage the space to remove more blocks. Remember, don't waste any space. We recommend that you keep the center of the grid open, which allows more flexibility in placing the blocks. If you fill the center too early, you may find yourself without room for larger blocks. And lastly, save special blocks for difficult situations. Don't be too quick to use your special blocks. Save them for difficult situations where they can make a significant impact. So, this was about how you can get high score in Block Blast. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.